watching Kavish. Today let us understand the concept of data science. There are three mistakes you should never do while learning data science. Number one, too much watching. It is a challenging task to learn data science. What makes it hard is not a lack of resources. There is a tremendous amount of resources to learn data science. They are offered in various forms such as video and tutorials, articles, MOOC courses, micro degrees, and so on. Having a lot of resources does not assure an efficient and productive learning path. We need to choose and use them wisely, otherwise, we would be wasting some amount of time. At the beginning of your data science journey, you may spend most of your time watching video tutorials. They may clearly explaining the key terms and concepts. Most of them were easy to follow as well. You may feel like that you are learning at a very good pace. You may not take long to realize that you may just understanding, not learning. You may think there is a big fallacy associated with watching video tutorials. Since they clearly explain stuff, you feel like you learn, however, you just understand the concept. Changes in neural connections, which are fundamental for learning to take place in the brain, do not seem to occur when learning experiences are not active. Many research studies suggest that active engagement is a prerequisite for changes in the brain. Not surprisingly, just listening to a presentation or lecture will not lead to learning. We need to engage in with active learning. In most cases, it cannot be achieved with watching video tutorials. We need more sessions of practicing. Hands-on tutorials take more time, but they are definitely more efficient than learning. Avoid spending long hours watching video tutorials. Instead, you should try to tackle down challenging problems. When you are solving such problems, you will likely to encounter obstacles that are not covered in the video tutorials and MOOC courses. Thus, it is an excellent resource for learning. So number two, it's a neglecting SQL. SQL is a programming language and it is used for interacting with relational databases. At first, you may think that of SQL as a tool to retrieve data from a relational database. But it is much more than that. You need to now learn SQL. You learn the basics and how to write simple queries. You may think it may enough SQL for a data scientist, but it is clearly wrong. SQL is a must-have skill for a data scientist. You need to go way beyond than writing simple queries. SQL provides numerous functions and methods that can be used for data analysis and manipulation. The most famous data analysis tool might be the Pandas library of Python. Most of the operations that can do with Pandas can also be done with SQL. The syntax may not be as simple as Pandas, but there is almost always a way. The biggest advantage of using SQL for data analysis and manipulation is that it allows for only retrieving the data you need. It is clearly more efficient than retrieving bulk data and then performing operations. You should have spent much more time learning SQL. If you started over, you try to master it. After you started working as a data scientist, you may realize how significant it is for a data scientist. Doing projects instead of a project. This third point, if you do not have prior job experience in data science, the best way to demonstrate your skills is to do projects. There is a ton of blog posts that emphasize the importance of projects for aspiring data scientists. There is nothing wrong about doing projects. I also did some of my own. The problem is that most of commonplace projects are not challenging enough. A project that you can complete in a day or a two is not likely to attract hiring managers. Those projects are good for learning and practicing. However, relying on them to find a job is a mistake. Instead of completing a dozen of such projects, you should try to complete a project that stands out. Being a data scientist is not just about using tools and packages. Data scientists should be able to identify a problem that can be solved with data. Then they design and implement a solution. A project that shows you have the skill of using data to find a solution is a game changer. You should avoid focusing on completing several piece of cake projects. Instead, you should try to come up with an original idea. It is not an easy task, but if you manage that, you can attract a handful of hiring managers and recruiters. View and subscribe my channel, Kavish.